Listen to the story carefully. Story 183. The emergency kit check. Ella was sorting through her closet when her AI assistant, Max, reminded her, "Ella, it's time to check your home emergency kit. We haven't updated it in a while." Ella smiled, grateful for the reminder. "Right. I should make sure we're prepared in case of an emergency." She grabbed the kit from under her bed and opened it up. Max guided her through the process. Check for first aid supplies, flashlights, batteries and a portable power charger. You'll also want to make sure you have enough water and non-perishable food for a few days. Ella went through the list, replacing expired items and adding a few new things. "We're low on water and canned food. I'll pick some up," she noted. "How about the first aid kit?" "It's good to go," Max replied. "But don't forget to add a multi-tool and a blanket." In 2099, we use smart home systems to help with emergency preparedness. "Got it. Thanks, Max," Ella said, feeling more prepared and confident. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.